Hi, today I will be showing you how to create a base map in the Visual PFAS software. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will be using the airport demo data file included in the Visual PFAS installation package. If you are not sure how to create a project or import your datasets, please be sure to check out my How to Start a Project and Import a Dataset video for a step-by-step guide. Here I have Visual PFAS already open to the project from my last video. In a project, you will see the Basemap page, where your project will be viewed, the navigation panel, with various ways to zoom in and out and manipulate your project Basemap. And there is also a Map Properties panel, a Basemap Layer panel, and a Map Overlay panel. I will show you how to use all these features later in this tutorial. So let's get started by creating a basemap. First, you must select Basemap, and in the drop-down menu, click on New. Visual PFAS will automatically select the Basemap subfolder under the project folder for its destination. You can now name this file anything you want. I will name mine Airport Site, and I will click Save. Now on the right Basemap Layers panel, click on the blue Add button. This is where you can import individual layers of the basemap. In the last video, I moved the data files provided in the airport demo data to this project folder. So in this case, this includes the property boundary, the runway, and source zone A and source zone B. We will select the property boundary file first. In this window, you can edit the line color and the fill color of the shape. For the property boundary, we will use the dotted line in the black line color. Now we will do the same for the runway, setting its line color to a dark gray. We will do the same thing for source zone A, choosing an aqua fill color. Finally, we will do the same thing for source zone B, but let's say I click Save before I change its color. Now, if you forgot to change the color of your shape when you imported the file, you can go to the right panel and you can select the layer you want to edit, click Edit, and change its shape color from here. Here we will select Aqua for its fill color once again. Now on the right, there are these arrows that allow you to reorganize your layers to your choosing. Finally, in the Map Properties panel on the right, you can edit the map title, layout, and scale bar here. In our case, the title is Airport Site. And depending on the base map, a landscape format might be more optimal here, so you can change the orientation of the base map using the rightmost icon in the navigation panel. We will then go into the Layout tab and increase the scale of the project. Followed by going under the Scale Bar tab, and we will click the checkbox to show your scale bar. We will then change the spacing to 2,500, and we will input feet as the units. Next, to reduce clutter, we will also go into the axes and go into the Style tab to untoggle the axes. You can move the final scale bar by double-clicking and holding down on the second click, then dragging the scale bar to its desired location. Finally, the user can select which monitoring wells will be visible on the Basemap using the Map Overview panel in the Location tab and using the drop-down menu to select a subgroup of the monitoring wells. And just like that, you have created your first Basemap in Visual PFAS. In the next video, I will show you how to create radial diagrams. Thank you!